My name is Yuri Gagarin, and on April 12, 1961, I became the first human to journey into outer space. I was born in a small village called Klushino in Russia on March 9, 1934. Growing up during the hardships of World War II, I learned resilience and determination from a young age. My fascination with aviation began when a Soviet fighter pilot made an emergency landing near my home. From that moment, I dreamed of flying. I joined the Soviet Air Force and became a fighter pilot. In 1960, I was selected for the Soviet space program. The training was intense. Every day was a test of our physical and mental limits. We knew we were part of something monumental, but none of us knew who would be chosen for the first flight. The night before the launch, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking about the mission ahead. On the morning of April 12, 1961, I suited up, feeling a mixture of excitement and calm determination. As I walked to the launch pad, the weight of history pressed upon me. As I strapped into the Vostok 1 spacecraft, I felt a sense of profound responsibility. The countdown began. 3, 2, 1, liftoff. The roar of the engines filled my ears as Vostok 1 lifted off the ground. The force pressed me into my seat, but soon the feeling of weightlessness took over. I looked out the window and saw our beautiful planet from the darkness of space. The curvature of the Earth, the blue of the oceans, and the wisps of clouds. This view was breathtaking, unlike anything I had ever seen. I circled the Earth in 108 minutes, the world below me turning slowly. In that moment, I felt a deep connection to all of humanity. Reentry was rough. The G-forces were intense, pressing against me as the spacecraft re-entered the Earth's atmosphere. The heat shield glowed as it burned away, protecting me from the fiery descent. It was a tumultuous ride, but I knew I would make it. I landed safely in a field near the Volga River. As I climbed out of the capsule, I was greeted by astonished villagers. I smiled and assured them that I was indeed a Soviet citizen just like them. The realization of what we had achieved began to sink in. When I returned to Moscow, I was welcomed as a hero. People cheered, flags waved, and I was showered with honors. But more than the accolades, I was proud that we had taken the first step into the vast expanse of space. Our achievement showed the world that humanity could reach beyond our planet and explore the unknown. My journey into space was not just a personal triumph, but a milestone for all humankind. It marked the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery.